Well, hi there and welcome to the ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for May 7th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at the weekly chart of the U.S. dollar index. Well, the U.S. dollar index dipped below 79, but closed strong last week. 78.79 remains a key support, and any break below 78 opens the window for a bigger picture drop. We suspect another test of 80.81 for resistance. Let's take a look at the daily snapshot. The daily chart reflects the strong support at 79 and 80 as a likely target this week. Next up, the CDD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD spent most of last week consolidating within the 98.5-99 support before finishing the week strong. 98.5-99 remains an important support, and any break below is likely to be a signal for a continuation to the downside. However, at this point, we suspect a test of 100.25 as resistance, a break of which is likely to follow through with a move towards 102-103. Let's take a look at the YUK, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Well, the recent trend for the YUK has been down. However, the 79.80 zone is an important support, a break of which will confirm a continuation lower. 81.82 is a key overhead resistance, and we suspect a bounce off of 79.80 is likely to follow through with the test of this 81.82 focal zone. Let's take a look at the EUI, the US dollar versus the euro. The EUI bounced from a test of support at 75.76. 77 is a short-term resistance level, and a break of this level should confirm a more significant move higher. Next up, the BPX, the US dollar versus the British pound. Well, the BPX has been trending down for the last few weeks, but has bounced at the 61.5, 62 support. A break below 61.5 will signal a continuation lower. Any retracement higher is likely to meet with resistance at 63. Let's take a look at the AUX, the US dollar versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX is broken higher, and the 97.98 level now assumes the role of support. As long as the pair holds above this level, we suspect to see a continuation higher to test 100. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the US dollar index dipped below 79 briefly, but appears to be on its way to a retest of 80. This lends credibility to the strengthening of the US dollar against most major currencies. The CDD has regained considerable ground after a test of 98, while the pair remains range-bound. The path of least resistance appears to be up. The YUK continues in a multi-week downtrend, but hovers at a key retracement level. We anticipate a bounce higher from the 79 to 80 level. The EUI appears to have committed to the upside. However, a break above 77 will confirm a bigger picture continuation. The BPX continues to slide lower, but closed last week with a test of support. We expect a bounce higher from the 61.5, 62 support level this week. The AUX broke an important resistance level and appears to be pushing higher. We are targeting 100 this week. And this has been your ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for May 7th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net.